Kathong jong katanat PHE ban penpoi bam di shabaro kitliu yeng kalasha akta harilum Jaintia bat East Khasi Hills district bat kani ka jalong namar ka jingslam ban yo ya ka boarding. Umentri katanat Public Health Engineering PHE Marcus and Marak hakalai phuai tarik kelalingkot ula pentip ba hinyau phulai point henriu phukandai persen naki henriu point san phuai lak teli kilong yeng lala ban penyo ya ka kor hapo ka skim Jal Jivan Mission. Umarak ulaong ba ki khmilinti ban kenjo ya ka thong ka ba hispa persen ka jingpen poi bam di haman la kilong yeng ha ubanai leber jong uni usnam. Ulaong ka jingtrei kalaya chat bat kidon katu kat ni ki jing na ka jinglong riat ka jaka bat la persyang kat bala ban peniat ya ka kam shwa ban wan ka ayom liur. Umentri ulayat huru ba kidon ki project JJM bat ki babuan ki day harilum Jaintia bat East Khasi Hills ki ba syakta na ka daw ka jingslam ban penpoi ya ka boarding banyo tan ya ka na telong. Namar ba ki telong ki day ki bahab ban pom ki badan kam ya ka ding ban penpoi ya ka sya kilong yeng. Kumta ngila betha ya baro ki ofisar katanat banyak keren penbet bat ka ME ECL bat banyak trailang ban kenjo ya ka thong ban sam bam di sya kilong yeng. Ula ongru ba unra ya ka ne ka jing sya menteri rang ba untuklar lem bat ban kenturu ban khot ya ka jingalang kini ki artili kitanat ban penjam ya ka ne ka jing
Some of the project mostly in Jaintia Hills and East Khasi Hills. There are projects which needs power connections because most of the projects are pumping projects. So pumping projects we need to get the power connection. So we have directed our department officials to get in touch with the MCL officers and then work in collaboration with them. So most of the projects, power connection payment has already been done, but we are still awaiting power connections. Reason being, some are a little far away from the main lines. They need some materials like poles, wires. So which we were told that they're in the process of procuring that. So these are the issues. I think we'll get it done, but it takes time. I just had a discussion with my commissioner secretary now. I have already, asked him to get update from all the divisions. So once we get the updated from all the divisions, the status of power connections, we'll flag it to Honorable Chief Minister, and I'll request him to have a joint meeting of power department, PHE department, so that we can resolve it as the earliest. 4,80,039 households in entire state, and in percentage we have reached the 73.69 percentage. So we are progressing. Actually, there were issues of land issues. Land issues were there. Most of the landowners, they were not allowing some projects to construct the tanks. In some situations they were not allowing the dams to be constructed. So that issue is now resolved. Now we have started the work, most of the work, but in some of the projects, we are hang up because of the power connection issues. So that issue still persists. We are trying to flag it to Honorable Chief Minister again. We will have a review meeting from his level. So then we will try to, looking for 100% connections by March this year. But let's see what we can do. Fund utilization is also good. Whatever we receive from the government of India, we we make payments accordingly, and then it's good. Implementation part is also good. See, pipes are laid only after the water reaches the treatment plant. From them, it comes to treatment plant, and from treatment plant, it goes to the reservoirs where the distribution of the pipes is made to the households. So definitely water should go to the respective households. But in some of the cases, where number of households households have increased. Uh, so there, some of the issues are there. Now during lean season, the water comes very less, so they cannot fill the tanks. So we have directed them that you wait for some time, you fill the tank, then you distribute, so that it reaches to the last household of the village.